Did you just have a bath? Aww. Did you just have a bath? JR. JR? What are you doing? Look at all this spiky hair. You're so cute. You got your spiky hair. Aw, don't eat your towel. 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 I love you, baby boy. We'll do more video in a little bit, okay? What about... You're so cute. Okay. Bye-bye.